Hello guys. Welcome to my channel. As you can see, I have an Android phone and it's running on the iOS system. If you want iOS system in your Android phone, then watch this video until end. Before proceeding, I want to request you please read the description of the video first. So friends, as you can see that I have an Android phone, let me show you my Android version. It's 4.4.2 KitKat. So friends, first of all you need to download a flashable custom iOS ROM for your device. After that, place it in your SD card. As you can see that I have already placed my ROM in my SD card. Now power off your phone. After shut down, press power button with volume up and down button simultaneously. After that, press volume up button. In the recovery mode, find wipe and format option. Now factory reset your phone to install the new iOS ROM. My phone is now formatted. Let's install the ROM. Now go to install zip option. After that, choose from SD card option. Now find your iOS ROM file and after click on the power button RO, install it in the phone. As you can see, the ROM file is now start installing in my phone. It will take 4 to 5 minutes to complete the installation. Friends, if you unable to find your ROM file, then comment your phone name with model number, I will give you the link. ROM file is successfully installed in my phone. Let it reboot. Now you can see that iOS boot icon. The first boot after the installation of the ROM will take time longer, so please wait for it. Now you can see that my phone in now iOS system. Thank you friends for watching this video. I hope you like it, and please don't to like, comment and subscribe. Also share this video.